I would like to know why every time I feel like, yes, I'm going to be consistent with posting videos and making them and editing them and getting them up in a timely manner. Every time I set the intention, I am able to do it for once and then shit happens. I don't like that. Hi, hello, welcome to a new video, welcome to a new vlog. We're doing hopefully this is just a vlog for this day, for these few hours, because do I have time to do all of this? No. But I want to memorize this, you know? I said it to my friend this week. He was like, oh, I really like your vlog. Because I've been doing like little small vlogs. I've been doing small vlogs on my Instagram and on my TikTok. I'm showing bits through the day, and it's kind of like a countdown for when I go to Japan for my exchange, which is in less than 3 days. Thank you very much. Am I ready? No. Am I prepared? Yes, but I don't feel like it. I genuinely forgot where I went with this. It is what it is. We're just gonna have to keep that open-ended because I have no idea what I wanted to say. I don't know what the point of that was anymore. A little less than 3 days to go, and I'm right now working on a proposal for a research paper that I need to submit tonight. Have I worked on anything? No. So I know what I want to talk about. I just need to go through all the literature that I collected, and I need to write a little literature review on it and also work out a little plan on how I plan to tackle it. My topic for this paper is I want to look at the memory of comfort women in Indonesia. Listen, I've just been playing mobile games the entire day, so I really need to lock in. It's only 1,000 words, and I've discovered yesterday, while I was writing another essay, that 1,000 word isn't really that much. But I do need to read, and sometimes reading is hard. I'm gonna need to stop yapping. I'm gonna need to stop yapping, and I need to start doing. So we'll see you in an hour. I'll see you in an hour. This is so YouTuber of me, but I just started to tear up and I turned on my camera, but then the camera was on and my tears are dried up now. It's been an hour. I'm still here. I'm eating. I'm still reading. I've only read. This is my second. I'm still on my second article. I have 6 articles in total. So I have 4 more to go. 4.5. Intense. So I'm gonna continue. I need to get this done before midnight. Well, I can hand it in after midnight, but I do want to get this done while I'm awake. I am starting the process of writing. It is 11:21. I'm just gonna have to hand it in late, and it is what it is. I stayed up until 3 a.m. yesterday. I had such a hard time. Writing shit is not easy. It's not easy. But I submitted my proposal. Probably shitty as fuck. But you know what? I think I got my point across. It's Saturday and I'm a little overwhelmed. I am going on exchange the day after tomorrow. That's fucked up. The best way possible. But it's a lot. There's still a lot I need to do. For example, I need to clean up my room. Deep clean. I need to throw away what needs to be thrown away. I need to reorganize my shit so that when I come back home, my head, my space is empty and clean and just, new start. I'm thinking of future me. And I also need to buy some last minute things. And also, I'm entertaining my family tonight, so there's a lot going on, and I've been stuck in my body playing mobile games the entire morning. I need to write an email asking for information, but even that is hard. And with hard, I mean, I have like I have 1 sentence, and that's it. I need a few more. What do I want? Let's do this together, okay? So, blah, 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 blah. I would like to... It is a Saturday, so probably we'll hear back from them next week. But we did the email! Took me 4 fucking minutes. I've been sitting here for 2 hours. Tell me you're neurodivergent without telling me you're neurodivergent. I need to get going. I need to get going because my family is about to come by and I still haven't done shit.
Jody had spies everywhere. I did talk to someone. She would find out somehow. The prosecutor staked. The case has gone home. Ruby and Jody. But then again, she's still blood. She's still my mom, and maybe down the road eventually I'll have a conversation with her. Chad has asked, do you miss her? He said I miss a mother figure.
My family has arrived. I have done a lot of reorganizing and throwing away stuff that just needed to be thrown away. I will catch up with y'all's either tonight or tomorrow. I'm getting a little sad now. I don't really think I have words that can accurately describe how I'm feeling right now. I don't know. I feel like everything is just kind of delayed, but also right here. And it's a very interesting sensation, and I don't really know how to place it. I don't really know how to navigate this other than just do. My family all just went home. We had an amazing time. Everyone was like holding me a little tighter than normal. Family members that don't typically hugged. Not because of weird reasons or anything, but like they're just not huggy persons. I knew that that was kind of different, and I'm aware that like it's because I'm going on an exchange for a few months. They won't be seeing me for a few months, but at the same time, it also felt like, oh, I'll be seeing you tomorrow. So it was very weird experience. How am I faring? I don't know. Honestly, I just don't know. I'm glad I did a lot today. I didn't think I would be able to do a lot. I decluttered the majority of my room, cleaned, dusted. Tomorrow I'm gonna vacuum and mop. And then I'm going to re-inspect my suitcases again and see if I can make any, changes on how to better fit stuff. Then Monday I'm just gonna try to rest as much as I can before leaving to the airport. That was a very deep sigh, wasn't it? One more day to go. I've packed. Tomorrow I'm gonna close them up. I don't know how I'm feeling right now. I'm feeling a lot. I did some last minute shopping today because I just needed to get the nervous jitters out. I still need to vacuum and mop my room. I still haven't done that. I think I'm procrastinating. My grandma cried. Visited them to say goodbye, and well, she cried. Oh, do you hear that? That's my mobile game. I'm playing Merge Gardens right now. Very fun. Very addicting. Would recommend 100%, but also 少し大変と思います。The addiction though, the addiction. I've done it. I have done everything that I needed to do. I just feel very double. I feel very like, oh, do I really want to go? You know? And it's so weird because this is the moment I've been looking out for so long, and now I'm over here like, do I really? But I do. I also need to pack my books actually. I'm currently downloading the I don't know if you can see. Currently downloading some episodes from My Hero Academia. I'm also going to be downloading the episodes that just released from the Apothecary Diaries, and I want to download both seasons of Frieden because everyone and their mother has been recommending them to me. And I really need to watch that because I think that is going to be fun. And, in the case that I am unable to sleep, which I don't think I will because I have been raised in a very lively Moluccan household, so that means like I'll knock out. I'll knock out, no questions asked. So, but just in the case of that I'm unable to sleep, I do have a lot of entertainment around me because ADHD. If I'm gonna be in a plane, I need to be entertained. Do you want to know some? Oh, let's talk about this. Just to end the vlog off, I think I said that I don't know if I mentioned it, but I did say that I needed to like wax before I go. I actually waxed this morning. Did my Brazilian, fine and dandy, was all good. I think it's really interesting to see the hair cycle of different places. My hair cycle is not all the same and that's just normal. It's just regular. I've seen from the things that I've seen on the internet. But it's really interesting to also see that because like last time I had like a lot more hair in other places, and this time I had a lot more hair in the places that didn't have a lot of hair last time because the hair cycle hasn't really grown yet. I don't know if you know, you know, but like that, it's interesting to see how the hair cycle differs from place to place. That is not all the same. And I think that's interesting. I tried waxing my legs and then I found out I really don't like waxing my legs, actually. I don't like the feeling of having my legs waxed. It feels it's very annoying. Like doing a Brazilian is very, it's deep. It's deep. But then when you do like your legs, it feels very annoying. I don't know how to describe it other than it feels annoying, and legs feel annoying. Brazilian just feels like deep. So I stopped doing it and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna shave. But then I also actually was like, you know what, I'm just gonna try it out. I wax my armpits. I was always kind of apprehensive of doing that because I've seen so many videos and all the people who have done their armpits are like, oh, this hurts, this hurts, this hurts. And I was like, oh, can it be just as bad as like a Brazilian when like you're near the most sensitive area, when you're near the bean? If you know, you know. That part hurts as a motherfucker. But so I was like, oh, is it like something like that? Because if it's like that, then I don't really want to do it. But today I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna do it. And y'all, it wasn't that bad. It really wasn't that bad. I don't know why. Well, maybe that's just me. I think that's just my pits, and my pits were like, okay, well, doesn't really hurt that much, and I'm very happy that it didn't hurt that much, because now having that good experience, I feel like I'm just gonna continue waxing my pits now. I really don't mind doing it. It's also very easy and very quick. Well, not easy because doing your own thing is a lot harder than getting it done by an esthetician, which always get your shit done by an esthetician, to be honest, if you can, if you're able, because doing it by an esthetician especially when you have an esthetician that clicks with you and that's good for you and like really knowledgeable, but the the service that they offer you, always do it with an esthetician. I've been going to an esthetician for like 5 years, and then I stopped going this year just because it was getting a little bit more expensive. I do go monthly, and it started adding up, and I was like, gotta have my priorities right now. That's why I've been doing it myself. But if you're like, oh, this is my first time, I want to try it out, go to an esthetician, please. It will save you so much mental and emotional despair, because it's a process. It, you know, also they do it very quickly. You're done within a certain time frame. The hurt is gonna hurt. You know, only they're just like, it's very nice to just have someone rip it off in one go, whereas when you do it with yourself, when you it doesn't always go as smooth. Let's just say that. So go to an esthetician if you can, if you're able to. Also, make sure you find one that matches with you, with your energy, with your vibes, what you like, and also knows what the fuck they're talking about. Because, you know, we do unfortunately have scam artists in every area of life. Unfortunately, even the government. Anyways, okay, I think this is gonna be the final vlog, the final vid before I go. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I'm able to make a lot more videos when I'm in Japan. I hope so. I truly hope so. I just want to get back into making videos again consistently, and I haven't been doing that ever since COVID. COVID really gave me the time and space to be able to do that. But now that I'm also like in university, I start to appreciate and understand just how long it actually fucking takes me to make a video, even though they're quite simple in essence, right? At least my videos. And I'm talking about me specifically personally because I watch a lot of videos that take a lot of time, effort, and resources. Mine doesn't. Mine doesn't. And it still takes a long time. So there we go. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to spend time with me. And hopefully I will see you on the other side of the world. Jana.